Don, we had trouble with the sliding doors. They were like sticking and they weren't on the track right. What did you have to do to fix it?
All right, so this one, which is a Home Depot one size fits many,
Yeah.
has screws here and down on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
And it has two screws up top too. And now there's
see them,
rollers.
yeah.
There's rollers that spring up and down in the unit itself. So you got to loosen this up. It came off the track, so I had to put it back on this track here.
Yeah.
There's a track in the middle here, right there.
Uh-huh.
So what you got to do is you got to get it up, down, and then what you do is you got to adjust these just right where they're level. Push this up, tighten them, right? I tighten them.
So you loosen the screws, pushed it a little bit, tighten the screws.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you want, basically what you're doing is these are the rollers, so right over here and here.
Uh-huh.
And this adjusts up and down.
Okay.
And that helps it ride.
Watch,
evenly.
watch. Your little buddy wants to go out.
And then also too, I clean the track. You lubricate the track. A good idea is to at least clean your tracks, every once in a while when they get dirty.
Okay.
When it gets sandy and stuff, it'll start, like now it rolls nice,
Watch
and,
out, French.
nice and clean. With Mr. Nosy wanting to run off.
Did you have to do the same thing to the bottom? Did you have to loosen the screws and play with that too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then in the process, I also cleaned with the screwdriver, got all the dirt out as much as I can. Cleaned that, lubricated it again.
Lubricate, meaning like WD-40 lubricate?
WD-40 I did use.
We love WD-40. And that was it. And now it's
Now it slides.
now
down.
it slides nicely. Both doors.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Hopefully that's a great tip for everybody that's got sliding doors.